India decided to go to space when Indian National Committee for Space Research in COSPAR was set up by the Government of India in 1962 with the visionary Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Indian National Committee for Space Research set up the Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station in Thiruvananthapuram for upper atmospheric research. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, formed in 1969, superseded the erstwhile in COSPAR. Vikram Sarabhai, having identified the role and importance of space technology in nation's development. ISRO built India's first satellite called Aryabhatta, which was launched by the Soviet Union on 19th April 1975. Although India had launched 111 spacecraft missions, 72 launch missions, and 269 forging satellites of 32 countries.